Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn Ngx-Bootstrap, DateRange Picker and the DatePicker in the Angular. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the Bootstrap. So let's install this one. So here we go with the terminal with your project. So you have to install this one. After this, you have to install the Ngx-Bootstrap. Okay, after this you have to modify your angular.json file. So here we go with this angular.json. So here we have this one. So here we have the sweet alert. So make sure you have to add the styles of the bootstrap. Okay, so this is the styles that I'm going to copy and paste it over here. So this block I'm going to add it like this. Okay, save this configuration. We are going to add our code with the app.module. Okay, so let's go and just add the module part. So here we have the module. This is app module. So let's me copy and add this module. Okay, so here we have the app.module where it is. So app.module. So I'm going to add or update this one. Okay, next we have to add with the component. So let's add the this file. Okay, so here we have the app.com. This is HTML and this is component. Okay, let's try to update this one. This is updated. The last one, that is HTML file that we have to update. Okay, so here we go with this one. So we'll pick any of the HTML I have already. So let me add this. So this is the date range picker that I want to use. So let's add this. Okay, so here we go with the HTML file. So let's try to update this. Okay, save this, try to run npm start. Let's see the output. Okay, it's already running on some else port. So let me go and check this. Here's some of the issues. Let's try to fix it. Okay, locale string is not assignable. Okay, fine. So let's update our different code that we have already. Let's add this one. Okay, so I think the issue should be resolved. So there is one issue, that is app component.scs did not return anything. Let's see what exactly it is showing about component scss. So here we have the, okay, it's css, right? Anything error we have? So if we'll just comment this one. Okay, fine. So this is done, all the compilation is done, right? Let's open the link. So here we have, you can see that we have a date picker, right? So here you can see we can select the date, anything, and from here you can see that we have mentioned that one. Okay, so this is the date picker that we can implement. So let's dive into the code level. Okay, if you want, like you can see we have the full-fledged the date range. Okay, so whenever you want to add such kind of picker, so you can follow these steps. Let's dive into the code level, how I have implemented this one. Okay, so here we can separate it also. So I think I have the different level of code also. So I think the two date pickers, let me copy and paste this. Okay, so here we go with our, where it is, that is HTML part. Okay, so if I go and just update this code, and here we have the date range. From here, from to, you can mention it like this, from that to that one. So you can see that if you want this one, the simple one, you can specify both one. Okay, so you can automatically select it, right? So let's dive into the code level and how the functionality would be. So first of all, we go with the app.component HTML. So here you can see that we have the HTML part with the date picker, class form, and the BS date picker. And this is date range picker. So this is, if you want the date picker, then go with this one. If you have the date range picker, then you go with this one. Okay. So very easy, very simple. Let's go to the app component.ts file. So where we are selecting new date from this one. So both the dates, selected date, and the date range, both are coming over here. Right. Very simple, simplest file. Okay, we haven't added anything more on that. Okay, then we have a app module.ts where we have bs date range bs picker module we have added. Okay, and here we have included in the imports. Got it? And this is the file, and in the angular.json we have already explained what we have to add. Okay, this styles we have to update it, and the component is done, module is done, and I think I haven't left with anything. Okay, so this is how you are able to implement the ngx bootstrap, the date picker, date range picker, and the date picker in the Angular. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.